Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special Valentine's Day tutorial for you. It is this super cozy fur beret, like a French beret. I'm not gonna lie, I actually created this pattern a few months ago, probably in December, but I was thinking about it and I thought the white with the fur and then a little bit of red, it was just really romantic to do for Valentine's Day. So I didn't, as you can see, I didn't cut the string because this is the first one that I created. So I just wanted it as a guide because I did write down a few patterns and I had to match it up to the right style of hat because I did do a few different types. But I think I'm going to go with this one because it was the best one that I liked. So I'm going to show you the fur that I used. So the yarn that I'm using is from Hobby Lobby. It is the Yarn Bee brand and it's Fur the Moment yarn. It's actually on sale right now, which is pretty cool. Today is the 2nd of February, so this is pretty recent. It's a size 6, super bulky, 100% polyester, and they suggest a 9mm or size 13 hook. But yeah, hand wash cold, dry flat, yada yada. I'll put this at the bottom in the description box so you guys can purchase it if you want. Or there's like tons of other brands that also have fur yarn. So for this project, you're only going to need one skein of yarn. And I'll be using a size N/P 10mm clover hook. So we're going to start by making a slip knot. And then you're going to chain 4. Now we're going to slip stitch into the first chain that we made. We're going to chain 3. We're going to double crochet 11 into the loop that we made. Now we're going to slip stitch to this chain 3. Then we're going to chain 3 again. We're going to double crochet in that same stitch. And now as you go around, you're going to double crochet 2 in each stitch. So at the end, you should have 24 stitches total. So I double crocheted 2 in each stitch around and I now have 24. So I'm going to slip stitch again into the chain 3 at the beginning. And I will chain 3 again. So this is what it looks like so far. And I apologize for the background. I was thinking of doing this on a darker like wood background, but I wasn't sure if it would like mix up my aesthetic, you know, I'm not sure. So I just figured I'd just do it on this. So now we chain 3 and I'm going to do 1 double crochet in the same stitch again like the last round. And now we're going to alternate when we're going to double crochet 2. So you're going to find your next stitch and you're going to double crochet 1. But then in your next stitch, you're going to double crochet 2. And you're just going to repeat that sequence around, doing 1 double crochet, then 2, 1 double crochet, then 2. So I already slip stitched to the beginning, but we have 36 stitches now. And I'm going to chain 3 again, double crochet in that same stitch. So instead of double crocheting 1 stitch and then doing 2 double crochet, we're going to double crochet 1 and 2 stitches. So that's 1 and then 2, and then we'll do a double crochet 2 in 1 stitch. So this round's repeat is double crochet 1 and 2 stitches, and then in the third double crochet 2 all the way around. For the next round, I slip stitch again to the chain 3, and then this time I only chain 2 because we will be doing half double crochet. So like the other rounds, I'm going to do another half double crochet in the same stitch as the chain, and then for the next 3 stitches I will half double crochet 1 in each stitch. And then in the 4th stitch, we're going to do 2 half double crochets. So then you're just going to repeat that around, and this is kind of like our transition row, because after this we're going to start decreases. So now I'm just going to slip stitch to the beginning again, and I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to half double crochet the next 2 stitches together. And then I'll half double crochet 1 in the next 3 stitches. And then I will half double crochet 2 together. You're going to repeat this sequence around until you get back to the beginning. So it's 3 single half double crochets, then half double crochet 2 together. So I get back to the beginning and I slip stitch again, and now we're going to go back to double crocheting. So I'm just going to chain 3, and then I'm going to double crochet the next 2 stitches together. Then I will double crochet 2, so 1 and 2. And then I'm going to double crochet the next 2 together. So now we're going to just repeat that around, so it's a sequence of 2. So we're going to do 2 double crochet, and then double crochet 2 together. Again, I slip stitch to the beginning, and we're going to chain 3, and we will double crochet the next 2 stitches together, and then double crochet 1 and double crochet the next 2 together. So the sequence around is just double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 together. So I just finished up that round, and we're going to go on to our last round now. I slip stitched to my chain 3. I'm going to chain 2, and then I'm just going to half double crochet all the way around my work. So just slip stitch to the beginning. So now that I finished the last row, I'm going to cut my yarn and I will just weave that in. But there you go.